Hello, my people. The time where I did primary school, I think about primary 5 or 6 that time. You get one particular boy we no like English at all at all. Anything will be English language, you know like it. But when you come for mathematics, this bobo na pro in B, in sabi maths. In fact, you get as maths teacher go dey teach, this boy go dey correct am. To tell you say na professional person the guy be, whether I carry him from belle come out, me I don't know. So come in the avoid English well, but you know how it be now. It just be like nose, and mouth. Nose no go fit they do something different from mouth. Both of them they work hand in hand. Now so this boy they take avoid English. So they can reach one day the particular issue or subject where they on ground. Now how to pronounce words where either starts with Q-U-E, Q-U-A, or either Q-U-E, Q-U-A falls in the middle or at the end of a sentence or wherever it is. But the most important thing where they are now Q-U-E-Q-U-A, how is pronounced anywhere it is found in a sentence. So that day, the English teacher teach us how we go take the pronounce all these words. All of us, we don't learn and finish. That day, this boy no come school. The day where you come, now the day where you want to do test, you know say they compulsory, and I saw this boy land gidigba for class like Land Rover. Before test go start, the English teacher, the English language teacher, I come begin to ask questions. Say before he go set questions for us for blackboard, he go begin ask us. Say he go ask us question. Anything way in spell, he go write out for board. Then we go point somebody. The person go get up, then pronounce her. I saw this woman, our English language teacher, and a woman. I saw this lady come spell Q-U-E-S-T-I-O-N. Paul. I saw Paul get up, say question. Say correct, Paul, sit down. Then she come spell Q-U-I-Z-Z. Peter. I saw Peter raise hand, say quiz. Say Peter, you're correct. Everybody clap. Peter sit down. Now he call another one. He say na Q-U-E-R-Y. He called Martha. Martha stood up. Martha said query. So Martha, you're correct. Then he come write another one. That one where he write now he shocked me. He said M-O-S-Q-U-E. Abednego. Now the name of that boy. We know they agree attend the English class. No the real name. So Abednego, yeah, pronounce this word M-O-S-Q-U-E. Now so Abednego stand up, look that word, look that word. The next thing where everybody here be Mos-Kwe. Teacher said, what did you say? He said Mos-Kwe. Now teacher throw away pen, throw away chalk where they had, fall for table. Everybody where they class, the kind of laughter where we laugh, So they Abednego stand there. Now so Nego, now him they call the guy, the bobo for short, Nego. Now so Nego they there they look us, he no know whether he get them or you no get them. M-O-S-Q-U-E, Mos-Kwe. We now know how that word is actually pronounced, the right pronunciation. Since then, reach now, Nego, Abednego, he don't grow, marry, get money. Anywhere where we see him, we see they call him Mos-Kwe. This Mos-Kwe don't take in name. So they, not everybody again remember saying Abednego be na the boy name. When I see him, I beg my people, it good, make our children that attend English class. In case of waiting happen, for that time may not happen again. Okay, beg, make una help me share, like, follow, subscribe, and anything where they una mind, make una go for comment section, drop and there. Once I see it, I'll do what? I will respond. It's my assurance to you. All right, catch you some other time. Bye-bye.